Well, I guess time will tell whether this effort has been worthwhile, but I have attempted to repair this broken hinge pin using epoxy and string, 100% polyester string. We'll see how it holds up. I basically did alternating wraps. You can see a series of them going this way, and then a series going this way, and a series going that way. All soaked in epoxy, and I generally did a layer at a time, did it over several evenings. And it didn't take a heck of a lot of time, and it seems pretty strong as it is right now, but I'm now trying to get it back together, and we'll see if I'm successful in doing so.